future doctors, researchers, and bioenthusiasts. This is Aditi Khanna from Orchids International School, Jabalpur. Your CBSE 12th board examination of biology is approaching, and I know you want to score big, but just studying hard is not enough. You need to study smart. In this video, I'll share practical tips, common mistakes to avoid, and the most important topics you must focus on. So grab your notebooks and let's get started. Biology is not just about reading, it's about understanding, retaining, and presenting well in the examination. Here is how you can maximize your score. First of all, to keep in mind that your NCERT is your Bible. Almost 100% of the paper comes from your NCERT. Don't just read. Few things you have to memorize. For examples, some key definitions, diagrams, and in-text questions. In biology, a well-labeled diagram can get you full marks, even with minimal of the explanations. Focus on important diagram. Revise smartly with mnemonics, because in biology sometimes we struggle to remember examples and processes. Use mnemonics and memory tricks to memorize such things. Practice previous year papers. The next key mantra is to practice previous year's paper. Solve at least 5 years of the previous year papers. Pay attention to the repeated questions, especially from genetics and evolution. Even the best student make mistakes, but you won't, because you will know exactly what to avoid. First of all, skipping labeling in the diagrams. Even if your diagram is perfect, no labels, no marks. Always label neatly, use pencil and underline keywords. The second thing, that biology is not about essay writing competition. Examiners prefer answers in points, not long paragraphs. It's quite boring. Be concise and to the point while you are writing your answer. Thirdly, forgetting to highlight the key points. You have to highlight the key points. Underlining or highlighting the key points can grab the attention of the examiner while correcting your answer sheet. Fine. Next is that you have to keep focus on the marking scheme. Never ignore your marking scheme. If a question is for 5 marks, break your answer into at least 5 points. If it is for 2 marks, don't over-explain. If it is for 1 word, write that one particular word that is being required over there. Now let us focus a little on the most important topics for biology. You all must have studied that Unit 2 carries the maximum of the marks among all units. So genetics and evolution, Mendelian genetics, DNA replication and transcription, genetic disorders like sickle cell anemia, hemophilia. Then coming the next one to the biotechnology, the unit of biotechnology and its application. It includes recombinant DNA technology, PCR and DNA fingerprinting, and especially the most emphasized topic must be that the application of biotechnology in the field of medicine and agriculture. Then coming to the last one, that is ecology and environment. You must focus on population growth curves, biodiversity conservation, and economic interactions. If you master these topics, you are already on track for 90% marks. Now listen to me carefully. Your biology board examinations are not your enemy. It is an opportunity to showcase what you have learned. Every great doctor, scientist, and researcher once sat where you are today, nervous, uncertain, but determined. And here's the truth, you are ready. Keep going, keep believing, and on the exam day, walk in with confidence. Wish you all a very good luck.